Before you renovate that house, stop. A Tampa Bay property owner started a simple remodel. New kitchen, new bathrooms, updated electrical. Everything looked normal. The permits were approved. The work began. Then the building department reviewed the numbers. The project exceeded 50% of the structure's pre-improvement market value. Now the owner owed a complete flood compliance upgrade. Foundation, finished floor elevation, mechanical systems. What turned a remodel into a rebuild? And how does Tampa's 50% rule actually work? I break it all down in the full code check on YouTube. Follow Florida Codemaster for more Florida building code explained in plain language.